name is Manuel Barberá. I am now a business executive in business operations and club services in EuroLeague basketball, and my major was sports management in EU Business School. In the business operations department, what we do is give support to our clubs for them to develop business initiatives. We try to foster a business culture around the EuroLeague basketball family. And we have also other operational tasks, mainly around the Final Four, which is our event at the end of the season. The best skill that I got from EU might be teamwork. There's a lot of things that we did in the uni that required cooperation with other students, and that's something that you can bring to your workplace, and that's very valuable. Something else I would say is probably the network of business professionals that the has, and that's something that quite helped me in starting my career.